What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at the ADA US dollar pair on the 15-minute. It looks like that we are forming a clear bull flag here. If we break to the upside, we are going to come all the way to these price targets. So pay attention. This is a great buying opportunity to place a trade. And guys, we'll be checking also the BTC US dollar pair on the 15-minute chart. It looks like that we are potentially going to form a pennant or a bull flag here also. We have lower highs, so we'll be checking out the BTC US dollar pair also. And this chart, the net unrealized profit and loss. Are we still in the belief denial phase? Are we hitting euphoria, greed? And is it time to sell? Everybody that's got Bitcoin is in a profit now. So there will be a moment where a lot of people are going to sell and the markets are going to go down. We'll be checking out this news. First Bitcoin ETF in North America has a massive opening day, $80 million traded in just 1 hour. And billionaire Bill Gates changes stance on Bitcoin. Here's his take on cryptomania. If you're getting value out of this content, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. All right, guys, checking out the ADA US dollar pair here on the 15-minute. It looks like that we had a huge pump here, as you can see on the chart. And we did met my target that I mentioned in the last few days about this megaphone pattern. The measured target would have been from the width here of this megaphone pattern from the breakout all the way to the $1.05 here, as you can see on the chart. And it looks like we broke out nicely to the upside with a huge amount of volume, and now we are creating this bull flag, this pennant here, as you can see on the chart. If we break this resistance area, this could possibly take the ADA US dollar pair all the way to the $1.20 here, the $1.19, as you can see here on the chart. But if we break to the downside, we could potentially come and bounce onto this resistance. I do not believe that the price would go below the 89 cents, as you can see here on the chart. So if we break, I do believe we'll get a nice bounce from this high over here and continue to the upside. But if we break the resistance, guys, very likely that we go to the $1.20. If you want to take advantage of this trading opportunity, you can do it on Femix. Femix has still got a $680 bonus if you use my link, guys. Let's take a look at the BTC US dollar pair. On the 15-minute, we are looking extremely bullish here. We are making lower highs here. It looks like that we are forming a kind of pennant here, but we still need a little bit more price action. But coming from this leg up with a decent amount of volume, it is very likely that the next leg up is going to be to the $60,000 area, guys. We did meet our target at the $56,000 area. From the back of this ascending wedge, we did mention before in the channel that the measured move from the breakout would take us all the way to the $56,000 range, and we perfectly met the target here, as you can see in the chart. But there is also another target. If this is a bull pennant, as you can see from this leg up here and on the chart, from the leg up into the pennant, from the breakout, the second target would take us all the way to the $60,000 area, as you can see here on the chart. So taking a look here on the hourly, if we also take this as a consolidation phase from this leg up, this could possibly be a pennant or a symmetrical triangle, or a bull flag. So if we get here also the leg up from this consolidation phase, as you can see there is a red candle, this could be a leg up into this pennant. And then from the breakout, depending on what price action we are going to do, this is also going to take us to the $60,000 area, which would meet with the target also from the big pennant, taking us all the way to this area, guys. So it's very likely this is going to happen. Let's see more price action. We might have a consolidation phase here, and it's potentially a bull flag or a pennant. So we are looking for the $60,000 area, guys, in the next coming days. Very possible. We'll be doing some updates on my next video. Let's take a look at this chart, the net unrealized profit and loss from Glassnode. As you can see, in the black here is the Bitcoin price, and in the orange is the net unrealized profit and loss. And while we're in the green and the blue here, this means that a lot of people are in profit, which is a sign of danger. A lot of people are going to start getting profits, and the price of Bitcoin is very likely to go down in price. But when we're in the red area or the yellowy area, this means there is a lot of people in a loss, and most likely they're going to hold until they're in a profit. So as you can see here, this is the 2017 peak, and this is when we went into the euphoria phase, the greed phase. Everybody saw Bitcoin going up, and the price was just going up and up and up. And we have a very, very similar time now. As you can see, we're just in the green here. This was last month in January. So the price was going up a lot, and we were in the green here. This is the belief and denial. So now, as you can see on this chart, it looks like that we're just about to go to the blue. This is the euphoria and the greed area. Everybody is in a profit. Everyone wants to buy and buy and buy. And this is a danger zone, guys. It's very, very likely once we hit this blue area where the euphoria phase is, a lot of people are going to start taking some profits. So we need to pay attention on the sentiment of the market. Let's take a look at this news. First Bitcoin ETF in North America has massive opening day, $80 million traded in just 1 hour. On day one, investors exchanged $165 million worth of shares of the Purpose Bitcoin ETF after its debut on the Toronto Stock Exchange on Thursday, according to data from Bloomberg. ETFs are regulatory compliant investment vehicles available to both retail traders and institutions. Purpose Investment, the fund's issuer, says the ETF will invest directly in physically settled Bitcoin and not derivatives like physically backed gold and silver products. The ETF will also be directly backed by physically settled Bitcoin holdings. Purpose CEO says investment opportunities come with the increased recognition of BTC as a new asset class. We believe Bitcoin, as the first and largest asset in the emerging cryptocurrency ecosystem, is poised to continue its growth trajectory and adoption as an alternative asset. It is good that the ETF is going to be backed by real Bitcoin and not just derivatives. This is very important for the Bitcoin price. Also, billionaire Bill Gates changes stance on Bitcoin. Here's his take on the crypto mania. He says, I don't own Bitcoin. I'm not short Bitcoin, so I've taken a neutral view. I do think moving money into the more digital form and getting transaction costs down, that's something the Gates Foundation does in developing countries. In May of 2018, the tech titan told CNBC that if he could short Bitcoin, he would, asserting that the asset was being bought by gullible investors and served no purpose. As an asset class, you're not producing anything, and so you shouldn't expect it to go up. It's kind of a pure greater fool theory type of investment. Gates also disclosed to CNBC that when he was given some BTC for his birthday, he ended up selling it just a couple years down the road. As of writing, Bitcoin is trading above $51,000, and if Gates had held his gifted Bitcoin, even if it was purchased at the top of 2018, he would have more than doubled his money. Now, the billionaire investor says he has no predictions regarding Bitcoin's next price movement. So he was bearish in 2018, and now he's just neutral. So I think it will turn bullish once Bitcoin hits $100,000. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Judex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for coming updates, and I will see you in the next one.